Hello everyone, this is Sean from Sean's Model Builds, and I'm here today to unbox the 1400 scale Enterprise D, the new model kit from AMT Round 2. It's always AMT. They never change the company name. And this is a 2024 kit, as you can see on the side of the box, so it's the newest release. I'm still waiting for the 1000 scale Strange New Worlds Enterprise release. And this is one of the last weeks, except for pre-recorded videos, that you're going to see the big Enterprise in the case behind me, because I'm going on my Find a Place to Live trip in my new town, and I'm going to be bringing some of the biggest models with me so they don't get damaged during the move. And since I printed out all my videos for print pictures for the portfolio for Deep River Geek Fest in now less than 3 weeks, because this is May 13th, I don't need the biggest models to be physically present at that meeting for everyone to see what I've already built. So I'll put you on the table now and we'll check out the model. And I've got my scissors so I can cut open the bags. I'm not going to try to put everything in big Ziploc bags this time, just cutting open the pre-existing bags and then repacking the box with all the parts in the same order they came out in. So I'll see you in a few minutes, which will be a few seconds for you.